Good evening. In previous session, we have seen some of the important methods of our regular expressions. Those are compile function and find iterator function we have seen. So in find iterator function, we have seen some of the methods. Those are group, start, end. We have seen these three methods. Okay, and also we have started the concept of some of the symbols we have seen. So those are called as what? Meta characters. So in previous session we have seen some of the meta characters. So first one we have seen in that is what? Square brackets we have seen. So first one is what? Square brackets. So square brackets we have seen. So what is the use of the square brackets? So generally we are going to use the square brackets for specifying a set of characters you wish to match. That means whatever the characters you want to match, that characters will be written inside this one. So example, I have shown you some examples also. So if I am going to write ABC here, that means if I am writing ABC, it will match what? If the string you are trying to match contains any of the ABC, that means if I am going to write ABC, the meaning of this one is whatever the string you are going to take, for example ABC, BBA I am taking. Okay, in this we are going to search for what? I am going to search for A. So A is found, one match. Next B is found, second match. C is found, third match. Next one is what? B is found, fourth match. B is found, fifth match. And A is found, sixth match. Six matches are there here. So in this way we are going to use. And also in these square brackets I can use the concept of hyphen symbol. So what is this symbol indicates? So here we are going to write what? Individual characters we are going to write. But if I want to get a group of characters from one starting location to end location, that is if I am going to write A to E, the meaning of this is nothing but A B C D E. In the same way if I write 0 to 5, the meaning of this one is what? 0 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so not without writing all these characters directly, I can write what? A dash E. Otherwise if you want to indicate A to Z, that means A B C D E F and so on Z. So without indicating all those characters, just I can write A hyphen Z. So already we have seen some of the examples for this one in previous session. Now we have also used the concept of caret symbol, CARET. The symbol is called as what? Caret. So what is the use of this one? So if you are going to write, so this is what? A caret ABC. The meaning of this one is nothing but I want to search in where? A, C, otherwise X, Y, Z, A, B, C. This is the, in this string I want to search for these elements. What are these elements? Caret ABC is nothing but except this ABC, search for remaining characters. That means what? Anything other than this ABC. So X is one found, Y is one found, Z is one found. And also if some special characters are there, for example 1 2 3 at the rate is there. So now what happens? Except ABC, remaining all, I am searching for remaining all characters. Those are nothing but X, one match, Y, second match, Z, third match. And these are what? These three are already present here. Except this, I want to search. So 1, okay, here 1 is there, okay. 1, okay. 2 is match, third is match, at the rate is match. Except this ABC, remaining all, I am going to search for remaining all things. Those are matched here. Okay, right. The meaning of next one, let us write here at the rate some 0 to 9 I want to write. The meaning of this is what? Except 0 to 9, search for remaining all things. So example X, Y, 1, 2, 3, A, B is there. So here how many matches are there? Matches is nothing but what? Except 0, 9, 0 to 9. That means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Except those, I am searching for remaining all the things. That is what? For this is one match. This is one match. Next, these three, we should not accept this. Already I told you 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to 0 to 9. We are not including those things. Remaining all are included here. So A is included, A is found, B is found. How many matches are there here? 4 matches are there. Okay, already we have seen this concept in our previous session and I have shown you many examples regarding to this. Right, now I want to show you, so this is about previous session. Now I want to discuss about one more meta character, that is what? Dot. Okay, that is right, what? Dot. So already I have discussed, I think, this point also. What is meant by this dot? So once again I will explain. So dot indicates a period matches. Okay, dot indicates what? A period matches any single character. So any single character means it is not going to consider slash n. Slash n is not going to be considered as single character here. So just if I take one small example, you can understand clearly about this dot operator. Okay, dot meta character, how it is going to be used. So already in previous session I have taken some of the examples. So I'll get here I will write. Okay, here we are having one example. Just I am going to replace all these things with dot. Only one dot I am going to write. And just I will remove all these one, and I am going to write something called as A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Observe carefully. If I execute this one, let us see what will be the output of this program. So the name of that one is test.py. So observe carefully what we are going to get. Number of occurrences are 0. That means here I have to use what? First I have to write dot operator. So here I am using what? Dot operator only. So 1 minute. Here I will show you the example and I will explain. So what is the meaning of this dot here? If you are going to write, sorry, here directly I have to write. I should not use here. So 1 minute. Right. Now observe. So see how many matches are there? So many matches are there. Why it is going to match all these elements? I will explain you. So before case, what I have taken? I have taken inside a square brackets. So if I write inside a square brackets, the meaning of this one is nothing but what? The meaning of this one is I am searching for a dot in this one. Is there any dot here? Not there. If I place some dot here, okay. Otherwise, if I place some one more dot here, so how many matches will be there? 2 matches will be there. Let us execute this program. Okay, I will execute this program. Now see how many matches are there? 2 matches are there. The meaning of this one is, the meaning of this line is, I am searching for dot in the given string. How many dots are there? First dot, second dot. Okay, in which location? Already we know about start, end, and group. Okay, now the concept is dot indicates I want to search for a one character. I want to search for what? One character. So here one character is what? A is there, B is there, C is there, D. All individual characters will be selected because I have written only one dot. So the output is what? Everything is going to be printed. 0, 1, 2, 3. How many matches are there? First one is A, B, C, D, and so on up to H. Now the concept is dot dot I will take. That means here how many dots are there? 2 dots are there. That means here it is going to consider two elements. It will search for two elements. Here first is search is for what? AB. First search is for AB. Second search is for CD. Third search is for EF. Fourth search is for GH. That means here how many matches are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Because 8 elements are there. 8 individual characters are there. So first time it will search for 2 characters. It may be anything. It will search for 2 things. So first it will search for AB. So AB will be printed. Next CD. Next EF. Next GH. So observe the output now. Here we are going to get what? 4 occurrences only. So starting match pattern is what? AB. Next match pattern is what? CD. Next EF. Next GH. If I write, for example, I am going to write only, observe, I am going to write only G. Observe now what happens. So here also we got what? 1 minute. I have not saved that program. Okay. So now see here, I got what? Only 3 matches. 3 occurrences are the reason is I have written what? Dot dot. Dot dot will consider what? Only 2 values at a time. So first time AB will be matched. Next time CD is going to be matched. Next time EF is going to be matched. Next time there is only one individual character is there. So that second character is not there. So that it is not going to consider it as a match. If I write, observe carefully, if I write 3 dots here, that means it is searching for a group of things, group of 3 elements. How many group of 3 elements are there? ABC is one, first match is this one, next match is what, DEF, and next match is there anything, three set of characters is there? Not there. So we are going to get answer as what? Only two occurrences are there. Only two occurrences. Okay. Next, if I take total elements are how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I will take 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 I am taking here. So how many occurrences are there? 8 digits. How many are there? 8. How many 8 character combinations are there? There is no, because only minimum are 7 only there. So that we will get output as what? 0 occurrences. So here dot indicates, single dot indicates any match, any single character match. Okay. If I am going to write 2 dots, it indicates 2 character match. It may be any characters. So here just I have taken A, B, C, D, E, F. For just I will take here, okay, 2 dots I will take, and in between I will take 1, 2, 3 also. There is no problem. And special characters also I will take, and some special characters also I will take here. Now observe. So now how many are there here? 2 dots I am writing. Otherwise I will write 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 are there. I am writing what? 3 characters combinedly. That means how many 3 characters combinedly are there? A1B, next one 2CD, 2E at the rate, F star, G is going to print it. That means 4 matches are there. So see, occurrences are how many? 4. That means first match is what? A1B. Second match is what? 2CD. Next match is what? 2E at the rate. Next match is what? F star G. So dot, we can consider this as a period. Okay. That means this indicates what? Period. How many period is what here? 3. So it is going to consider 3 characters. Okay. So this is about the concept of dot, or we can consider it as a period operator, sorry, period meta character. So now let us go to next meta character, that is dollar. So before going to execute that one, just I am going to take one explanation of this dollar meta character. So that is dollar symbol is what? Character is what? Dollar. What this dollar is going to indicate? So till now we have seen some of the meta characters. In the same way here it is also a meta character. So this dollar symbol is used to check, if a string ends with a certain character or not, ends with a certain character or not. So observe now, just I will take one small expression here. So I'm going to take one expression here. So the expression is what? A dollar. That means what? I want to search whether the whatever the string I have taken, whether that string is going to be ended with A or not, I am going to check. So just I will use first one string. For example, I am taking string, I am taking as A. Is this string is going to end with A or not? Yes, it's ending with A only. So it is one match. Here one match is there. Next, another string I am going to take as an example. In this string, I am going to take some RAMA as I am going to take. So see here, observe here, is this string is going to end with A or not? Yes. So here one match. That means match is there. Next string I am going to take as what? Some other name called as Prasad I am going to take. In this one, is this string is going to end with A or not? No. That means here no matches found. That means what? Dollar indicates whether it dollar indicates what? End of the certain string, whether the string is going to be end with particular character or not. Otherwise, if I take some ABC dollar, let us see the example like this. Okay, first I will explain this one, later I will take AB dollar or ABC dollar, and I will show you the result. So observe now. Right, in this I will take what? I am going to use dollar A. First I'm going to take dollar A, and just first time I will take only one A. So what is the answer? One match. Because what is the end of this string here? The end of the string is also A. So here we are going to get how many matches? One match. So occurrences are 0 here. 1 minute. Just here what I have to write? Dollar A I am going to write. If I write dollar A, what it has to give? One match. Sorry. I should not write $A, sorry. $A I have to write. So here, okay, $A I have to write. Unfortunately, I have written $A, sorry. Right. Now observe, how many occurrences should be there? One occurrences. That is nothing but starting address is 0 and ending is 1. Already you know what is meant by starting and what is meant by ending. What is meant by starting? Where the string is started. Where the string is started, index 0, index 0. Where it is ending, index 0 only. But always end will give you what? +1. And result what? +1. So group means what? Group is going to tell for what you are going to search. Okay. So that we got A here. Now next one, I want to take here in the string, I want to take RAMA, I am going to take. Now observe, is the string is going to end with A or not? Yes. So let us execute. So it's going to tell you what? One match. That is nothing but A. I am just checking for what? Whether the string is ending with A or not. Yes, it is ending. So what is the address A? No, sorry, what is the address of this one? 0 index 0, 1, 2, 3. So starting is what? 3. Ending will be what? Always. After this, where cursor is there? In next index, that is nothing but 4. So always end method returns you +1. So 4. Number of occurrences is 1. Now next one, just I will take some something called as which is not present. So see here, A is not at the end of the given string, so we are going to get occurrences as 0. Now I will take AD here. In this case, I will take AD. Now let us execute this one so that you will get some clarity on this one. So AD is whatever the string I have taken here is ended with AD. Yes. So from where it is going to take 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Starting index is 4 and ending index is generally it is 5, but it is end will print what? 6, because end is always, this method is always setting what? End +1. So answer is what? Starting at 4 and end is at what? 6. So only one match. Now if I take only D, yes, it is present, so there is no problem, we are going to get output. In the same way, if I take SAD, so it is also present. It is also present, so one occurrence. So this dollar, what is the use of this dollar? So dollar is used to check if a string is ending with the certain character or not, or certain characters or not, as shown in the example. Okay, right. Next one, next meta character I want to show you, that is star symbol. Okay, before going to example, I will take a brief introduction about the star. So this is a star symbol. So what is the use of this one means? So observe carefully. It is going to match, it matches, otherwise it matches 0 or more occurrences, sorry, 0 or more occurrences. For what? 0 or more occurrences of the pattern, left to it. This is very important to understand. What this star is going to do? It is going to match 0 or more occurrences. For what it is going to search? It is going to search for a character or group of characters, whether it is present in more 0 occurrences or more occurrences, from where of the pattern left to it. So for example, I will take here, that is, so some expression I'm going to take, expression as, I'm going to take MAN, man I'm going to take. So this is my expression. So now I want to take some of the strings here. First string is VN, I'm going to take. Here what I have to search? Here whether this star is going to be, sorry, MN I will take. MN. Sorry, 1 minute. MN I am going to take. Here what we have to observe? Whether that N is occurring once or not. Yes. Okay. So here we are going to get one match. Sorry, 1 minute. Here what we have to see? Left to it. So left to it I have to check. That is what M I want to talk here. About M I want to talk. So M is present here. So we are going to get what? One occurrence we are going to get. Right. Next string I will take. Next string here I am going to consider as MAN, man. MAN, man. So here also what happens? So once again I'm repeating that. Here I am not searching about, I am not going to search. 1 minute. Here it matches 0 or more occurrence of the pattern. So it's going to match what? 0 or more occurrences. Okay. So left to it. Left to it means what? Left to this star. That means I want to search for this one. Okay. Right. Now MAN I am going to take here. That means MA is present and N is present here. Generally, what should be happened? Either 0 or more occurrences, there is no problem. But here MAN is present. So here I am going to get what? One match. One match is there. Next, if I am going to take MAAAN, observe carefully here. So MA is there. I am talking only about A here. I should not talk about only one character. I have to talk. So sorry, I have to talk only about one character. So here there is no one character. 0 occurrences are there. So one we are going to get here. Here what happens? Here we are going to get MA is there, and we are going to have right side also 1. Next, MAA. So this can be what? Any number of occurrences can be there. Here A is not present. Here A is not present. So that is nothing but 0 occurrences. Here 0 occurrences. So 0 occurrences can be there. There is no problem. Here 1 occurrence. Here how many occurrences are there? Here 3 occurrences are there. So there is no problem. So here match is what? 1. Next, I am going to take main here. The concept is I am searching for what? M A star N. The meaning of this one is star A. That means what? This A is applicable for this star. This A can be occurred 0 times, 1 time, 2 times, and so on n times. But compulsory what should be there? M should be there, N should be there. Okay. Okay. Right. Okay. What should be there? M A should be there. It can be what? Left to this star is what? Only A. Only A. So A can be occurred 0 times or more occurrences. So M should be there, N should be there. Compulsory. M should be there, N should be there. And A maybe 0 occurrences or more than 1 occurrences. Sorry, more than 0 occurrences. No problem. So here what happens? M is there, N is there. So A is 0 occurrence. So one match. M is there, 1 occurrence of A is there, N is there. So no problem. So M is there, A can be any number of occurrences, there is no problem. So it is correct. Now observe here, M is there, A is there, and after A what should be there? N should be there. But here what is there? I is there. Is it correct? It is not correct. So here no match. Reason of this one is what? A is not followed by, A is not followed by N. That is the reason. So once again I am repeating this concept. Listen. So MA star N I have written. The meaning of this one is I am going to search for this one in one string. So the string is what here I am taking? MN. So MN I am taking. So I want to search for this one in this one. The meaning of this A star is nothing but left to it. That means A I have to consider. So here this A should be how many times? At least one time it should be there. At least one time it should be there. So here it is in this case, sorry, at least, sorry, 0 number of times it can be there. So here 0 times is there, so no problem. Next I am going to take what? MAN. Here at least one time is there, so there is no problem. Match is there. Next MAAAN is there. So here any number of A's can be there. More number of occurrences also there is no problem. But M should be there, A should be there, N should be there. A can be any number of occurrences. So one match. So MA is there, IN is there. So if you see this one, what is the meaning of this one? 1M, 1N, any number of A's. So here 1M, 1A, and after this one, what should be there? N should be there. But what is there here? I is there. So here it is not matched. Okay, I will show you the example here so that you get a clarity on this one. So I am going to take what? Man I am going to take. For this I am going to take star. First time I will take MN. First time I will take what? MN. So see the output here. You can observe what? One match is there. One match. That is nothing but MN. Now next one I will change this one as MAN. So A is occurring how many times? One time. No problem. A can be occurred. 0 occurrence or one time. So match is 1. Next one. I want to take MAAAN. Okay, here also no problem. A is occurred more than once, so no problem. It is giving me 0 to 7. It is telling me. That means, so the meaning of this one is what? The meaning of this one is M started here 0. So all these A will be considered because A star means what? Any number of A's. It may be 0 number of A's or any number of A's. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, it will be considered, and N also is going to be considered. Next, I will take main as a string here. So MAIN. So MA is matched. So where is I? Here I is not there. Directly N is there. So it should not, will not get any occurrences, 0 occurrences. Okay. So one more example I will tell you. If I remove M, what happens? Let us see. If I remove M, what happens? 0 occurrences. Reason is what? Only it is applicable only for A, not for M. So that compulsory M should be there, and A's can be anything. Oh, sorry. 1 minute. I will show without this one. I will show without this one. See what? 0 occurrences. The meaning of this one is what? You may think that, sir, one A is there and one M is there. Whatever, one N is there. So what about M? M should be compulsory. A can be any number, but M should be at least one. One should be M should be one, and N should be one, and in between A should be any number. Okay, that is the meaning of this star. Okay, right. Now let us go to next one, next meta character, that is plus symbol. Okay, so let us see about next meta character, that is plus. So what is meant by plus? So already we have seen about star. In the same way here, plus matches, this plus is going to match one or more occurrence. In star indicates what? 0 or more occurrences. Here what? One or more occurrences we are going to consider. One or more occurrences. Here what? At least one. At least one. Okay. Of the pattern left to it. Of the pattern left to it. Left to it. That is, let us take once again the same example. VA, let us take van here. Okay, VA plus N. The meaning of this one is what? Same. If I take VN, A should be what? At least one it should be there. A should be what? At least one. But here 0 occurrences, so no match. One or more. So plus A plus is there. That means plus will be applicable for A. That means A should be occurred at least once, but here 0 occurrences. So we can say what? No match. Next, I am going to consider one more thing, that is VAN I will take. So A is one occurrence. There is no problem. V is there, N is there, and A can be what? It may be one occurrence or more than one occurrence. So one occurrence is there. So we can say what? One match is found. Next, I will take VAAAN. So here what happens? V should be there, N should be there, and A can be one occurrence or more than one occurrence. So there is no problem here. One match. And next, I will take VAIN vain. The meaning of this one is what? So V should be there as one. Yes, V should be there, and N should be okay, one. But in after that A should be there. After that A should be there. Okay, A also should be is there. But in between A and N, no character should be there. But here I is there. So what we are going to say here? No match. The meaning of this one is what? A is not followed by, reason is what? A is not followed by N. That is the reason why here no match is found. Next, I will take school van. I will take, for example, school van I will take. Here what it will search? In the given string, it will search for a V. It should start with V, and any number of A's can be there in between N and V. So V is there, and A is there, one A is there, and N is there. So match is found. So how many match? One match is there. So as it is the same example we have taken, just I will change the symbol as plus here. So I will, okay, plus I will take here. Here I will write V. I will write V. Now observe here, I want to search for what? First I will take VN. I will take. So at least what should be there? 1A should be there. But here there is no 1A. So we are going to get output as what? 0 occurrences. Next I will take VAN. So VAN is nothing but what? V should be there, N should be there, and A can be one or more. So A is one. That means, okay, exact match is there. So 1 minute here, I will save this one. I will save this and I will execute. Okay, see. Now it is what? One match, one occurrence is there. Next, I will take any number of A's because A plus is nothing but what? Minimum one, at least one, at most any number of A's. So I will take any number of A's here. So now I will execute. See what occurrence? One occurrence, 0 to 12. That means all characters will be considered here. Next, I will take VAIN, vain. The meaning of this one is what? V should be there. A can be one or more. Okay, A is there, but after A, what should be there? N should be there. But what is here? A is there. So will we get any occurrence? Sorry, 1 minute. I have not saved. Right now, observe. Will we get any occurrences? No. So we got 0 occurrences here. Next, I will take one more thing, that is school van. So SCHOL, school van. That means what? Here I am going to search for a pattern where V should be there. After V, any number of A's can be there, and next N should be there. So V is there, one occurrence is there, and N is there. So observe now. Yes, one occurrence is there. Okay. Next, I will take one more example, that is without V I am going to take. Otherwise, more number of V's I am going to take here. More number of V's I am going to consider. It is going to say what? Match is there. Because why it is saying match is there? It is not going to consider all these 3 V's. It is going to consider from here itself. So you can observe clearly. Match is from where? Third location, third index. Third index, that is what? This is 0th index, first index, second index, third index, fourth index, fifth index. Okay. So it is starting from here. That means the match is found here. If I take here, see, observe carefully. If I take in this way, sorry, 1 minute. If I take in this way also, there is no problem. It will find what? Only it will talk about this one only. It will talk about this one only. That is nothing but what? 0, 1, 2, 3. Starting index is 3. Next one, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. End index is 12, but it is going to return me what? 13. It is going to return me what? 13. Now observe the output. So see here, 3 and 13 we got. One match we got. So it will search for what? One V and any number of A's and only one N. Remaining all, it is not going to bother. Okay. So this is about plus. That means what is the difference between star and plus here? Star indicates 0 occurrences or more occurrences, but plus indicates what? At least one occurrence. Okay, star indicates what? At least one occurrence, sorry, 0 occurrences. And what plus indicates? Plus indicates at least one occurrence. Okay, this is about plus and difference between plus and star. Okay, next let us see next operator, next meta character, that is nothing but question mark. Question mark I am going to tell you. Question mark. So just I am telling the symbol name here, that is what? Question mark. So what is the use of this meta character? Means it is going to match, observe carefully, it is going to match 0 or 1 occurrence. 0 or 1 occurrence. The meaning is what? At least 0, at most 1. At most 1. But what about star? Star is minimum 0, maximum any number. Okay, plus is what? Minimum 1, maximum any number, there is no problem. Question mark is what? Minimum 0 or 1. Other than 1, it is not going to consider. Okay, at most 1. Same concept, just I will place a question mark after A. That's it. Same concept will be applicable here. So just I have to place what? Question mark. Same examples I will take. First I will take what? VN. So VN I am going to take. So A can be what? A question mark is there. Question mark indicate what? Question mark indicates left to that, whatever the pattern is there, that can be what? Only A. It can be 0 occurrence also. There is no problem. It can be 0 occurrence also. So if I execute this one, observe carefully, if I execute this one, will there be any problem? There is no problem. We are going to get one match. If I remove, for example, if I remove V also, I will execute. So what happens? It is going to give 0 occurrences. Reason is what? I am searching for a pattern which starts with V, and one occurrence of A can be there, or zero occurrence of A can be there, and ends with N. But here what happens? N is there, A is not there, no problem, because zero occurrences can be there, but V is not there. So that we got zero occurrences. If we place V, again we will get what? One occurrence is there. There is no problem. Okay. Now observe. Next case I will take as VAN. So one occurrence is there. There is no problem. So I will talk only about A, because V and N should be compulsory. So now V and N is there. I am taking one occurrence here. Then what happens? So one match is found. Okay, no problem here. Next concept is, I am going to take any number of A's, but it will consider what? Only one A. That means it will consider this one. After this, it will search for what? It wants N, but is there any N? Not there. And it may see this one also. AN is there, but where is V? Not possible. That means VA question mark N. That means here no match is found. No match is found. So number of occurrences is what? 0. And next, same example I will take VAIN also. Same here, it is not no match. Directly you can say what? No match, because after A compulsory N should be there. So we got what? Number of occurrences as 0. Right. This is a small example of your question mark meta character. So you have to understand the differences between star plus, next one is question mark. Right. Now let us go to next meta character, that is braces, flower braces. Right. Now observe carefully. Here I am talking about what? Flower brackets. We can say this one as a flower brackets or braces, we can say here. So here first I will take one example so that you can understand the concept. Here I can take in a braces, I can take one argument or two arguments I can take. In this way I can take. So what is the meaning of this one? I will tell you. So whenever I am going to write something, so just I will take one example. So A of, if I am going to write N here, and here A of M comma N I am taking. So the meaning of A in braces, if I write N, that means any value we have to write in that one. So first I will tell you exactly N number of A should be there. N number of A should be there. Here in this case, what we have to take? I am taking two values. One is M and another one is N. The meaning of this one is at least N number of A should be there, or otherwise, and we can take, and at most what we can say, N repetitions of pattern can be there. Okay, minimum N, sorry, here I will take M. First one is M, sorry. Minimum this M and maximum is what? N. Here is what? Only one value is there. So that means what? A should be compulsory N times. So just I will take one small example here. A of 3 I am going to write. The meaning of this one is what? It will check only for 3 years. 3 years it is going to check for. Okay. And if I am taking the same example for two arguments, that is A of 2 comma 3. Here A of 2 comma 3 indicates what? At least 2 years can be there, or at most 3 years can be there. Okay, just I will take one small example so that you will get a small idea on these braces. So first I will take about a single value inside a braces. I will take, I am going to take some A, something I am going to take here. I want to search for, observe carefully, I want to search for, I am going to inside a braces A of 3, otherwise I will take 2, A of 2. Now observe output. How many occurrences are there? 0 occurrences. Reason is there any exactly 2 A's are continuously are there? Not there. But 2 S's are there. So just I will change this one as yes, and I will check whether the match is found or not. Yes, one match is there. From where to where? From starting from 8. So observe, go to 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Sorry, from 0 I have to take 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. This is 8. S starts with 8, where we are having 8 and 9, but end is going to be always what? Plus 1. So it is going to take starting in X as 8 and end as 10. Okay, right? This is about a single one. That is, if you are going to one single value for a braces. If I take here, okay, 2 comma 3 I will take 2 comma 3. Just here I will take 3, and here I will take 1. Now observe carefully. What will be the output? Let us check here. How many matches are there? 2 matches, at least 2, and maximum 3. At most 3. There is no problem. So check here. 8. 8 means what? This one 8. Here we are having at least 2 things is there, and at most what? 3. If I write any number here, it is not going to be considered. So only these 3 S's are going to be considered. Now observe. I will take 2 more. That means what? Total 6 are there here. Observe. These 3 and these are 3. Total 6 I am going to take. Now what it is going to be considered? Observe. So it is going to consider as what? It is going to consider 8 to 10 as 1. 8 to 10 as 1, because here 2 S's are there. And next it is going to consider what? At least 2. But at least 2, at most 3 can be there. So it is going to consider this 3 as 1 and this 3 as 1 more. If I take 1 more, observe carefully. If I take 1 more here, what will be the output? This is very important. So see, 2 S's, 3 S's, 3 S's only. You may think that, sir, why can't it take? Why can't it take? Here it is taking 2 S's. Observe carefully. This point is very important. So here it is 2. It is taking 2. But here totally how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 are there. So it will consider what? 3, 3 only. Okay. Now I am going to take one more S. One more S I am taking. Now observe. It is going to give me what? 4 occurrences. Reason is what? Minimum it will search for 3. So it is for minimum 2. Minimum 2 are there. Next it is having what? At most 3 are continuously. So it will consider 3. Next it will consider for 3. Next how many are there? 2 are there. At least 2 are there. So that I can match it. There is no problem. The meaning of this one is search for S. Search for S where 2 continuous S's are there or 3 are there. So if 3 are there, it will consider 3. If only 2 are there, it will consider. There is no problem. Okay. Yes. This is about the concept of otherwise. Here I will take what? Minimum 4, maximum 6. Is there at least one match here? Let us check. Minimum 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 is there, 4 is there. So no problem. Here totally 8 are there. 8 are there. Observe what happens here. So see what it is telling, only one match. You may think that, sir, here total 8 are there, sir. Why can't we take 4, 4? Why can't we take 4 for 2 matches? No. First it will check for at most. If at most is not there, it will go to at least. Okay, first it will go for at most, then only it will check for at least. So here it will search for what? 6 continuous S's only. If 6 continuous S's are not there, for example, I am going to remove. First it got what? It got 6 continuous S's. So it will consider that. After that it is not having 4. So that it will not consider these 2. Now consider that. Here I am going to remove 1, 2, 3. Now how many are there? 5 are there. First it will check for at most. At most 6 are there, not there. So it will consider what? At least. So if it consider at least, it will take what? These 4 S's as match. Now observe the output. So see, one match is there. How many it is taking? 5. Sorry, here it will, 4 to 6 it can take. Minimum 4, maximum 6. 5 is there here. So it will take 5 also. It will take 5 also. So this case I have not explained for you. So it will take what? 5 also, because minimum 4, maximum 6. In between 5 is also there. So 5 can also be considered. So see, observe here 0. Sorry, index I will tell you. This index, starting index is what? 12. So this is 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. N plus 1 is what? 17. So we got what? 17. That means what? Minimum 4, maximum 6. In between 5 is there. Also it will consider as a 5 only. From maximum it will consider. From at most it will consider. First it will search for 6. If 6 is not there, 5. If 5 is not there, 4. Okay. So this is about the concept of braces. Right. Now one more symbol is there, OR symbol. We will generally call it as a OR symbol. Otherwise, we can call it as alteration symbol. Okay, alteration character. How it is going to be there? Vertical bar, vertical bar. So this is what? Vertical bar. This is called as what? This is called as alteration, or we can say, or symbol we can say. So what is the use of this one? How this meta character is going to be used? Means it is used for alteration. That is nothing but or symbol only. Just use as r symbol only. That is, for example, if I write A or B, what is that expression I have written is what? A or B. The meaning of this one is search for A or B. Search for A or B here. So if I take CDE, is there A? Is there B? No. So 0 matches. And next, if I'm going to take one more thing, ADE, is there A? Is there B? It will check. Yes, A is there. So one match is there. Next one, if I take ACDBEA for example, here first will check for what? A or B it will check. So A is there, one match. B or A not there. B or A not there. B or A, yes, B is there. Here one match. Next B or A not there. B or A is there. So totally how many matches we are having? 3 matches. Okay, that means A vertical bar B indicates what it indicates? Match. It will match any string that contains either A or B. Either A or B. So just I will take a small example for this one and I will show you. The same example I am going to consider whatever we have seen there. So here I am going to write what? A or B. A or B I am going to take. I want to search in a string called as which is not present. CDA I am going to take. Is there any occurrence of A or B? Not there. So we are going to get what? 0 occurrences. Next one, I will take the same example what I have taken here. That is nothing but ADE. Here I will take what? ADE. So here first one is what? A. So I can take what? I am searching for what? A or B. So A is found, one match. So is this one is A or B? No. Is this one is A or B? No. So that we are going to get how many occurrences? Only one occurrence we are going to get. Right. That is nothing but what? A. Next case, I will write both the concept, that is A and B. I am going to write here. That is A. Same example I will write A C D B E A. I will write A C D B E A. I will write. Now observe how many occurrences are there. Check once. I will write here. 1 minute. I will execute here. So 3 are there. 3 are there. What are those 3? See, A 1, C not matches, D not matches, B 2 and 3. Okay. Now observe. You may get one more doubt about spaces. So here I have taken space. So A is there. One more occurrence will be added. That's it. Space is not going to be considered here. There is not a matter also. So total how many occurrences are there? 4. Because I am not searching for a space here. Okay, I am not searching for a space. Now I am going to take one more pattern. Just I will change this one as, for example, A. I am going to search for A or S or M. I can search not only for 2. I can search for any number. There is no problem here. So here I am going to take Shiva Ram for example. So SIVA, RAMA I am going to take. How many possibilities are there? How many matches are there here? So first one, S is matched, I is not matched, V is not matched, A is matched. Okay, next R is not matched, A is matched, M is matched, A is matched. Okay, now observe. So see, SAA, MA is matched because I have written what? ASM, because ASM I have written. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total 5 are there. So 5 occurrences are there. So just I will take here, observe carefully. Here I will take SI. Otherwise I will take, okay, SV I will take. SV I will take and I will execute this program. So it will search for what? It will search for A or SV or M, not only S. SV it will search for. But will it consider this S as an occurrence? No. Because we should have what? SV, but it is having what? SI. So we got only 4 occurrences. What are those 4 occurrences? This is what? 1. This occurrence is what? 1. Next occurrence is what? Next occurrence is A is there. Next one is what? 2. Next one is M. 3. Next one is 4. Total 4 occurrences we got. Okay. Right. This is called as alteration meta character. So which is going to consider either A or B. That means this indicates OR. This acts as a OR. Now, next one, we are going to have one more meta character which is very important to check. That is nothing but brackets, or we can say it as a parenthesis. So parenthesis is nothing but what? So generally, why we are going to use this parenthesis? For example, x plus y into z plus a I am going to write. Here in this, why we are going to use this parenthesis? Because to group the expression particular, if I write here x plus y into z plus a, it leads to some confusion. So that I'm going to separate the entire expression into sub expressions. So entire one expression into sub expressions. In the same way, in our Python also regular expressions also, this parenthesis is used for group sub patterns. Group sub patterns. It is going to group what? Sub patterns. So the meaning of this one is nothing but, for example, I am going to write A or B or C. C I am going to write and I am going to write AZ. This is one expression I am going to consider. This is one expression. That means the meaning of this one is what? That means here A xz can be there, B xz can be there, C xz. It is searching for what? A xz, B xz or C xz. This is what? A or B or C xz. That means any one of these and xz. Okay, any one of these and xz. Any one of these and xz. So I have taken three possibilities here. So just I will take one small example here. Just I will take some strings here. That is ABXZ. ABXZ. Now observe here, it is going to search for what? Entire pattern it is going to search for. Okay, that is nothing but ABXZ. Is there any match here? BXZ. Let us check once so that we will get some clarity on this one. So what I am going to write here? I am going to write an expression that is what? A or B or C I am going to take here. And I am going to write parenthesis for this one. Parenthesis I am going to write. And after this, I am going to write what? XZ I am going to write. What is the string first I am going to take here? First string I am going to take as A, B, X, Z. So now observe carefully. I am going to execute this one. Okay. So here it is telling what one occurrence is there because BXZ is there. BXZ is there. Okay. Just I will keep some space here. After AB, I will keep some space. Now observe what is the output of this one. So see what? Zero occurrences. The reason is I want what? A, anyone, A or B or C, either A or B or C. And compulsory after that, what should be there? XZ is there. So A is there, B is there. Okay. After B, XZ is there. But in between this, what we are having? Space is there. So compulsory B should be followed with XZ, or A should be followed with XZ, or C should be followed with XZ. Okay. Right. Now, let us go to a few more examples here. I will take some long string I will take. For example, AXZ, I will give some space here. CABXZ I am going to take. If you give space or not giving spaces, there is no problem. Just I will remove the space also. Now observe. So how many occurrences are there? Two occurrences are there. What are those two? AXZ and BXZ. So these are the two occurrences. So these two occurrences are found. Okay. Next, I will take one more example here. That is, I will take A, R, and M. I will take, and here I will take A, and here I will take what? A, and I will write a string where I have to search, that is RAMA. That means I want to search for this type of string. What is meant by this string? A or R or M. Any one of the character can be here. And after that, compulsory what should be there? A should be there. So first R is there. After that, what should be there? A is there. So one match. So one match. Next one, M can be there and A should be there. So MA, second match. So next I will write Shiva, I will write Rama, PRASAD I am going to write. Now observe here, whenever one match A or M, I will stop there. So here A is there. After A, what should be there? A should be there. After this A is there, not there, so no match. So after this R can be there. After that, what should be there? A should be there. So this is one match. So this is what? First match. After that M we are getting. So M can be there. After M, what should be there? A. So MA is one match. Second match. After that P, I should not talk about P because here P is not there. So R is there. I should talk about this R. Reason is here anything can be there. So R is there. After that A should be there. Okay, A should be there. This is third match. Next SC is not there. A is there. So A, for A I have to check. So A is there. After that what should be there? A should be there. But D is there. So totally how many matches are there? 3 matches are there. Okay, that is nothing but RA, MA, and third one is RA. So these are this is about parenthesis, or we can call this meta character as group meta character because it is grouping some of the characters here. Okay, so not only A or this one I can take anything, there is no problem. So for this I will take one more example, that is here I am going to write just I will take A to Z. Observe carefully. A to Z I am going to take. That means the meaning of this one is, observe carefully. If you see the output, you will get a clarity on this one. So how many occurrences are there? 5 are there. The meaning of this one is anything from A to Z. Anything from A to Z can be there. And after that, the A should be there. That means what? S is there. After this, A is not there. So I will not consider this one. I is there. After that, A is not there. I will not consider. V is there and A is there. So it will be considered. So observe this. The meaning of this one is nothing but what? In this bracket, A, B, C, D, E, F, and so on, Z are there. So I can take any character here. A to Z, any character can be considered in this one. After that, what should be there? A should be there here. So S I have written here. After that, A is not there. I have written. A is not there. V I can take. After that, A is there. So it is one match. After that, R is taken. After that, A is taken, one match. Second match. M is there. A is there. Third match. P is there, but A is not there. I should not consider this one. R is there. A is there. Fourth match. I think 1, 2, 3, fourth match. Next SC is there, A is there, fifth match. So how many matches are there totally? 5 matches are there. If you observe here, 5 matches are there. Okay. So this is about some of the important meta characters that are available in our regular expressions, that is in Python. So briefly, I will write what are the different type of meta characters we have seen here. So first one, what we have seen, square brackets we have seen. So in this I have used what? In this I have used 2 more characters. One is what? Hyphen and caret I have used inside this one. What is this indicates? This indicates A to Z. All alphabets it is going to consider. Otherwise, if you write A to E, the meaning of this one is what? A, B, C, D, E. Okay. After that, if I write this one, this is nothing but what? Complement. Complement, like there is nothing but if I write not A to E, if I write not A to E, the meaning of this one is except A, B, C, D, E, remaining all it will check. Okay. If it is found, for example, in what I am going to write, A, B, X, Y, Z. So as A, B, C, D should not consider, except this I have to check for remaining things. So X will be one match, Y will be one match, Z will be one match. The output of this is what? 3 matches are found. Next, this is about square brackets. And after this, we have seen about the concept of caret, same symbol. But this one I have used inside the square brackets. Now, if I am going to use this caret symbol with any characters, without, not inside this square brackets. That means here what it indicates, it will check if a string is going to start with a certain character or not. That is, if I write caret A, the meaning of this one is what? Whether the string is going to start with A or not. That is, for example, if I am going to write some in this way, and the expressions are A, B, is this starting with character? Sorry, A or not? Yes. I think I have not shown you this one. Once again, I will show you this one. I think caret symbol outside of the brackets I have not shown. I think so. Just I will take here. So what I am going to take, caret symbol A. This is the caret symbol and A. And here, what is the meaning of this one? Is the string is starting with A or not? Not starting. So what is the output of this program we are going to get? 0 occurrences. If I say this one as yes, sir, is the string is starting with yes? Yes, the string is starting with yes. So the output of this one will be what? 1 occurrence. There is nothing but yes. Next, if I take SIVA. So now observe, is my string is starting with SIVA? Yes, it is starting with SIVA. Okay. So caret outside of bracket indicates starting of the character or not. It will check for whether it is the character is starting with, not only character, group of characters is starting with that pattern or not. Next, so dot operator, it indicates what? Period. So if you can take any number of dots, there is no problem. We have observed the example also. Next, dollar symbol. What is the use of this dollar symbol? As it indicates starting, it will check for start character, it will check for ending, whether the string is going to end with a particular series of characters or not. There is nothing but if I take $, here I have to take what? $, or I can take ABC dollar. That means it will check whether my string is ending with ABC or not. Here it will check for what? Whether my string is ending with A or not. Next, after this, we have seen about star. What star indicates? It is going to match 0 or more occurrences of the pattern. That is nothing but if I am going to take VA star N, it is going to search for A. Whatever the string I have taken is VAAAN, for example. Here it is going to search for what? V should be there and N should be there. But A can be what? A can be 0 or more occurrences. So it is 3 occurrences. So there is no problem. It is one match. It will be considered as one match. If I take VN, it is also considered as one match. Reason is what? V should be 1 and N should be 1. In between, 0 occurrences of A can be there. Right. Next, this is about star. Next, what about plus? Here, one occurrence, at least one or more, one or more, there is no problem. But here is what? 0, 0 or more. But here it is what? One or more. Next, question mark is there. Question mark indicates, generally how to remember this question mark means, we are having a ternary operator. It will tell what? Either true or false. Just I am asking one question. Where sun rises in the east or not? Sun rises in the east. What you will say the answer? Yes or no, true or false. Only two things will be there. So here what happens? Either 0 or 1 occurrence. Only two will be there with question mark. Okay. With this meta character, it indicates what? Only 0 occurrence or 1 occurrence, not more than that. Next, we have seen about the concept of braces. In this, we can have what? A of one value we can write. It will check for what? Exact 3 A's. It will check for only match for 3 A's. If I am going to take two parameters, at most 3, sorry, at least 3, at most 6. That means what? In between 4, 5 also will be considered. Okay. See, if I am going to take A, and here some 6 I am taking. You can see here BA I am taking. Sorry, just I will take B here. The meaning of this one is what? It will found first it will check for what? 6. Is there any 6A here? Not. So it will check for what? Next 5. Is there any 5A's? Yes, 5A's are there. So one match is found. Okay. Right. Next one. After this braces, we have seen for what? Alteration. Alteration nothing but a R symbol. This indicates what? If I write A or B, it will search for A or B. The string can contain A or B. If the string contains A or B, that is considered as one match. And finally, I have shown you about the concept of parenthesis, or we can say this one as a group meta character. It indicates what? It is used to group sub patterns. Already we have seen one example for this one. So with this, we have completed the concept of meta characters in our regular expressions. So in next session, we are having some more characters, which are some characters are there, some same these type of backslash characters we are having in our regular expressions. We will see that, and also we are going to see about some of the important functions that are used in our RE module. RE module is nothing but what? Whenever we want to perform regular expressions, this RE module is going to give the support for our application. So compulsory we have to take RE module, or we have to import RE module whenever you are using the concept of regular expressions. Okay, thank you.